Affirmations to attract positive people and new friends. I only attract positive people in my life. Every day, positive and amazing people enter my life. I'm worthy of having positive people in my life. I'm a magnet for positive, like-minded people. I am a source of joy for others. I deserve the same vibe and energy from others as I radiate. I am grateful for the people in my life. I am love, and I am lovable. I open my heart and soul to new friends. I have a positive vibe that attracts a positive tribe. Each day, my circle of positive friends is growing. Having positive people around me is a priority. I nurture my friendships as they nurture me. I cherish my friendships. I build strong, solid friendships with positive people. I surround myself with supportive, loyal, loving people who are always there for me in times of need. My circle of positive friends is so fun and inspiring. I attract positive relationships into my life. The right people seem to always come into my life at the right time. I am grateful for all of the positive people in my life. I choose to surround myself with love and positivity. I am a magnet for dependable friends and positive people. I find it easy to connect with others. I am a beautiful person. I am calm and relaxed in the presence of other positive people. I am a good friend because I value relationships. I am confident. Positive people and relationships bring me joy. I love getting to know new people. I am grateful for the people I have in my life now. I am great at holding conversations. I am deeply respected by others. My relationships are divine. I am thriving in all of my relationships. I focus on healthy relationships. I am friendly and welcoming to all I meet. I am an interesting person with so much to share. I can be myself around new people. I am strong to release toxic people. I am open-minded. I am happy and fun to be around. Affirmations to attract positive people and new friends. I only attract positive people in my life. Every day, positive and amazing people enter my life. I'm worthy of having positive people in my life. I'm a magnet for positive, like-minded people. I am a source of